Pero kanina, nabanggit mo yung tungkol sa design ng Jeep. Now, let's talk about the quality. Kasi ang sinasabi kanina ng LTFRB, 3 shifts daw yung magpapasada dun sa modern Jeep para magkaroon sila ng enough time makakuha ng income out of this. Kakayanin ba to ng modern jeepney? And usually, yung ganyang kalidad ng Jeep, gaano katagal siya? Tumatagal before maka-experience ng any problem?
Okay, first dun sa muna, sa kita, yung cost. With the Francisco Jeepney, hindi mo kailangan mag-triple shift para kumita sa jeepney kasi mura nga. Malaking mura, it's 1/3 of the price ng mga foreign brands. So hindi kailangan pahirapan yung mga drivers natin at yung mga operators. That's first. Next, yung quality and durability. Alam mo, yung mga ginawa ng Francisco Motors na mga jeepneys, 30 to 50 years ago, hanggang ngayon tumatakbo pa rin. Ayun pa rin yung ginagamit nila until now. So kaya tiwala yung mga operators natin sa Francisco Motors. Kasi kapag gumawa ng sasakyan ng Francisco Motors, it's built to last. Hindi yan yung katulad ng mga foreign brands na mayroong planned obsolescence. Planned obsolescence, it's a marketing strategy na every couple of years, like 5 years or so, sira na para bibili ka ulit ng bago. So ang Francisco Jeepney, it's built to last. And it's true, even with the new Francisco Jeepney, ganun pa rin.
Paano pala to? Yung china-charge ba ito? Or kasi may hybrid, di ba, na parang gas, pero how does this work?
Yes. So yung first 1,000 jeepneys, na electric jeepneys na i-roll out ng Francisco Motors starting ng second quarter ng 2024, it's full electric. So lahat ng lugar na magde-deploy tayo ng full electric jeepneys, Francisco Motors din yung magse-set up ng mga charging stations, mga fast charging stations. But we have gone a step further than that. We have another company, it's called HDEX Group, of which we will introduce a hybrid hydrogen system. It will be installed in our jeepneys, in our electric jeepneys, para maski tumatakbo, it's charging. So it will augment, it will minimize or even remove the range anxiety